Hello class. Today we are going to start with our unit number 8, things we use in class or school supplies. In this lesson number 1, we're going to have a new vocabulary about the things that we use during our class or when we are at school. Now let's listen.
Page 72. Unit 8. Things we use. Lesson 1. School supplies. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Folder,
2,
lunchbox,
3,
water bottle,
4,
dictionary,
5,
calculator,
6,
stapler,
Now remember that you can repeat the audio again and practice the pronunciation. Okay? Let's continue with the next part. We're going to talk about where was my school supply. So in this case, we have where was the folder? It was on the table. Notice that we are going to do it in the simple past form. In this case, we're going to use the past of be, was or were. Listen.
Page 73. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
where was the folder?
It was on the table. 1,
Where was the folder? It was on the table.
2,
Where was the lunchbox? It was on the table.
3,
Where was the water bottle? It was on the table.
4,
Where was the dictionary? It was on the table.
5,
Where was the calculator? It was on the table.
6,
Where was the stapler? It was on the table.
Remember that we use before for the past. And look at here, we have the word after that represents the future. Now let's continue with some examples, but in this case, we are going to identify our school supplies in different parts of our house. In this case, we are going to talk about our bedroom or maybe the living room, okay? So, listen.
Page 73. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What was on the table?
A folder was on the table. 1,
What was on the table? A folder was on the table.
2,
What was on the sofa? A dictionary was on the sofa.
3,
What was on the bookshelf? A water bottle was on the bookshelf.
4,
What was on the chair? A lunchbox was on the chair.
5,
What was on the desk? A stapler was on the desk.
6,
What was on the computer? A calculator was on the computer.
So remember that you can identify the different objects in different places in the past form, okay? Now it's your turn to practice.